All right, exactly the same process here. This one's a bit harder in that in the previous example, we had one equation where we had a single value of y, and I think that makes things easier. Here, we don't have, it's harder to substitute one equation into the other because we don't have that single value, but we can get it pretty easily. Like, notice with this equation, there is a common factor in all terms. And I would say that, well, one of the common factors is 3. So if I divided everything in that first equation by 3, all right, whatever I do the left-hand side, I do the right-hand side. If I divide everything there by 3, what am I going to get? I'm going to get 2x plus y equals 4. Now I'm a whole lot closer now to finding a value for y. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the 2x over the left-hand side, over to the right-hand side. The way I'm going to do that is I subtract 2x from both sides. So that becomes y equals 4 minus 2x. So that's now in a form where I can actually substitute it into my other equation. Okay, so where I see y in my second equation, we're now going to write 4 minus 2x. So the new equation will be 3x plus 2 times 4 minus 2x equals negative 3. I'm going to expand that. So 3x plus 8 minus 4x equals negative 3. 3x minus 4x is negative x plus 8 equals negative 3. Let's get the 8 over the other side, so subtract 8 from both sides. So I get minus x equals negative 11, and then we can multiply both sides by minus 1 to get x equals 11. We've found the x value of the point at which the lines cross. How do we find the y value? Well, we simply substitute the x back into the original equation, or either of the equations really, because they share the same point. So if we've got x equals 11, so 6 times 11 plus 3y will be equal to 12. So notice there I've taken the x value and substituted it in there. So expanding that and solving it, we've got 66 plus 3y equals 12. Take 66 from both sides. We get 3y equals 12 minus 66. Can anyone do that for me quickly? Negative 54. Negative 54. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So I'll get y equals negative 54 over 3. Anyone do that in there on their calculators or head quickly? Negative 18, thank you. Negative 18. So if we've done that right, our new coordinates are 11, negative 18. Okay, press stop.